All right, I made a heck of a mess in here, but today we move on with the light installs. These are the Berea LED tube lights. I got 12 of them. So we'll do a little before and after in here, the fluorescence, and then these things, and I think they'll be pretty cool. Wow, that's crazy. I just got them plugged in with the plug-in cords they come with. They come with all these that you can just plug them in as standalones, or you loop them together. So I'll do 2 banks hooked to where the existing lights used to be. So dim and dingy, but check this out. Oh, finally, good light. This video is supported by PCBWay.com and my patrons. If you have a 3D printing or CNC milling project, check them out. As well, check them out if you have any PCBs to manufacture. They do a great job. PCBWay supports me so I can bring you free content each week. Now we got a really well-lit Makerspace, and I think what I'll do is I'll get rid of that. I've got 4 spare bulbs, so I think I will do, like, this corner's still dark. I can still use the overhead light here, or I can replace it. I haven't decided what to do yet. I think the LEDs would be far less current, so what I might do is just leave this fixture in place and just tuck the LED up inside it. If I have any problems with the LED, I don't need to restring lights. Same with these, I'm going to leave them right where they are and just remove the termination and terminate the LED lights. But that's awesome. Does that ever make a difference in here? Well, it's a completely different workspace now. And I'm definitely going to do more above the laser cutter, both laser cutters. So I'll do 2 banks right here. And yeah, that'll be awesome. Right? What a difference that makes. That is super cool. Check this out, guys. We're getting there. We got our lathe, 3D printers, laser cutters, more laser cutters, more laser cutters, CNC over there. I gotta get everything cleaned up. Those ready to go on Facebook Marketplace. All the material storage is moved, and I'm getting set for a Raspberry Pi out here to display a Home Assistant dashboard that's kind of like Tony Stark Workshop out here. And I couldn't be happier. What do you think? I think we can build just about anything out here now. We're getting there. I'm pretty pleased with this. And this drawer was the ticket for this station. And I'll do a review on the stuff soon. But overall,